Hey guys, it's AJ. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching me and Mr. Vuitton. Today I'm here to share with you guys a video that I wanted to do since it's the beginning of the year, and also because I've had a couple requests on my Instagram to do a review of my NOTIQ planner or agenda. This was a new brand to me. I basically just got on Instagram and I think I just searched the hashtag of planner or planner addict or something like that, and NOTIQ was a brand that kind of kept popping up as sort of an up-and-comer in the planner community. So I generally, I've had a lot of planners before. I've had a couple of Filofax A5 size planners, and I've had a K, I think a personal size. It wasn't a pocket, it was the personal size planner from K. And to be honest, I just never have really kept up with planning as the year has gone on. I usually start out really gung-ho like in January, February, and then by the time it's mid-year or even before that, I just lose interest and I don't keep myself organized and I don't utilize my planner to the fullest extent. So this year, that was sort of one of my resolutions, that if I was going to purchase another planner, that I wanted to keep up with it and use it. So this NOTIQ one has really been a pleasant surprise to me in terms of just its size. This is the personal size of planner from NOTIQ. It's the 6 ring. They have either a 6 ring or a ringless version, but so you can see this one does have the rings. I personally like the rings myself rather than like one that just slides in and out of the flaps or the pockets. But anyway, this also is just the most beautiful planner. I think this is in the color Stone Gray. It's a vegan leather that's almost like a caviar type leather, pebbled, and then it has the beautiful NOTIQ little logo there on the front in rose gold. Just such a beautiful color, really a pretty planner. And the thing that I like about it is that this size is really perfect for me because I do have larger handwriting, but this is like the perfect size between the K personal and which is very similar to the Louis Vuitton PM, and an A5, which to me is just really, really large to lug around, especially if I want to throw it in my handbag. So this personal size, which is likened the most to a Louis Vuitton agenda, has been really, really a good size for me. So anyway, before I go into very much more of how I have the layout inside, those were sort of just the main ideas that I have gotten so far just in using it the first few weeks of the year. And I laid it out when I was back in December, like shortly after I received it. So what I thought would probably be the easiest in order to show the layout that I'm using currently is to actually put the camera down onto the table so that you can see the planner and you can see how I have it sort of, decorated and organized. So you sort of have a bird's eye view down into the planner. So I'll go ahead and do that. But before, I did want to just show you, sort of the specs of the planner. It has the snap button there. And then it has a pocket here in the front, right there. And then in the very back, it has a whole bunch of credit card slots here, and then a large slot, like slip pocket there. And then I did get the kit, or like the bundle when I ordered this. So it came with the agenda and then some inserts, which I will show you. And then it also came with this beautiful pen. And the other thing I really like about these NOTIQ planners is that for the price, which is very similar to like a K or a Filofax planner, I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this one. I think it was around $150, but the thing that is nice about them is they come in a dust bag and they do come with some extras. So I'll get into that a little bit once we're down inside the planner, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the outside. It's super soft and really luxurious while still being durable. So without further ado, I will go ahead and flip the camera around so you can see sort of how I've decorated it and how I have it laid out. Okay, so this obviously is the planner. As I said, it's a really pretty, they call it stone gray, but it has a little bit more of a mauve color to it, I would say. And then it has the beautiful NOTIQ logo there for the closure in the rose gold. So a very, very pretty agenda to me. I think it's, you know, very durable, but it's still very pretty and sort of luxurious looking. And again, mine is the personal size, which is very similar in size to the Louis Vuitton agenda. So just opening it up, I guess I'll go this way. It's just a snap button closure. And then on the inside, when you first open it up, you have the pocket here, and then there's a slip pocket here if you wanted to put receipts or stickers or whatever. I do have some stickers, just some little fun stickers to put on like important days or to remind myself of things. It came with this plastic sheet here, which I use in the very front just to protect the first dashboard there. And then it also came with, the thing that I was impressed with also is that it came really nicely wrapped, as I said, with a dust bag, and then it had this envelope with a, obviously it's not, I don't think it's totally handwritten, but a handwritten letter from the owner or the founder of NOTIQ, which is a really nice touch, I think. And then it also came with this card just inside, sort of telling about the brand and how to take care of the planner. And then it also came with these it came with yearly insert, or like you know, monthly and yearly inserts. And then it also came with these plain note sheets, which are always nice to have. So this is, as I said, the 6 ring. It has the beautiful rose gold hardware. And then go ahead and do it this way so it's right side up for you guys. So what I did is I went ahead and bought some stickers. This is the pack of stickers that I got. It's from Agenda 52, and it's called the Girls Sticker Pack of 431 pieces. And I got this from Hobby Lobby online on their website, and obviously I've used a lot of these. But these are just kind of fun little stickers to use as you organize your planner. And I just sort of like them. They're sort of fashion forward and just cute stickers to kind of put, you know, throughout the year to keep you motivated and just remind yourself to do certain things. They just are really cute. They have like little girls on them, and so you'll see the rest. So what I did, I always see all these cute layouts and these cute planners, and mine never turn out that way. So what I wanted to do is, rather than buying a bunch on like Etsy or, you know, just trying to find some that I really didn't love, but that, you know, they were pre-made up, I just went ahead and bought some of these black like dividers off Amazon. They're just like cardboard dividers. And then I used these stickers and just decorated the dashboards myself. So, you know, I put one basically between each month. So you'll kind of see them as we go through, but that one is for at the very beginning. And then this one right here used to say NOTIQ here, but I put this sticker here that just says bows over bros. I think that's really cute for the beginning of the year. And then of course I have to have my little handbag sticker. This is a total year calendar. And then I just start into the beginning of the year. So all of the inserts are from NOTIQ. They came with my bundle, which was really nice. And then these little tabs that I have, like there's the next month there. Those are really cute, some more cute stickers. And then the tabs that I bought to stick on here so that I can very easily go to from one month to the next. Those came from Amazon as well. They're just some little, I have the rest back here. These are just little Avery, I believe they were Avery little, like, tabs. They're metallic, so they're kind of cute. And these are, you can take them on and off so they don't totally ruin your pages. So it came with a bunch of different metallic colors. It came with a pack of gold, some rose gold, and silver tabs, but there's some more of those stickers there. So I basically just did my own dashboards so that they would be, you know, how I wanted them, and just sort of fun, you know, kind of coordinating with each month. Like this one's going into June, I think, or July. So it's like a pool theme, you know, for summertime. And then these are just nice because I can just very easily, okay, this is the next month. There's like another pool theme for summer. Very cute. And here's then going into August or September, October. Here's another one that's kind of cute. They're just really cute stickers. So then there was another one of these plastic dividers that came with it. So I put this here in the center. This is the end of the year. This is now into 2022, the very end of 2021, just a few pages or a few days into January of next year. The plastic divider, and then this is where it starts with your full month calendar, because I don't really use that all that much unless I want to see like a full month of all the things I have going on, or like write birthday reminders, because that's kind of how I like to see it, as like a month overview. So I just have a paper clip here, my little cupcake paper clip. I don't know if you can see that, just to sort of break up the middle of my planner, so if it's shut I can see where that is. And then there's another one of those dashboards I made up. Again, this was a NOTIQ insert. All of these calendars were from NOTIQ. They came with the planner. And then this as well, this is just the beginning of, you know, this total month calendar. And then here's some more stickers with a dashboard. And then I just have, this is where I sort of keep my notes of like errands I need to run or financial type notes or that kind of thing. And then I just have my little heart paper clip on there. I don't know if you can see that, but I put those on there just to know where that kind of section starts. And then this is just that blank paper that I received from NOTIQ. And then this is, again, just some other note paper. I probably don't need as much note paper, but it's just nice to be able to grab it and jot down a note and have plenty of space. Again, in the back, it comes with all these nice card slots. So if you wanted to keep credit cards or whatever in there, you certainly could do that, or business cards. There's some more of those tabs. I just keep those back there. And then I put just some extra stickers here in case I want to decorate my planner or need them for a certain page. One thing I will say is that if you need a lot of space to write down each day's items, you may want to think about getting a different set of inserts. These ones don't have a whole lot of space on them. They're fine for me because I'm never generally noting a ton of stuff, but they definitely just only give you a very small amount of space for each day. So if you need more space, you know, that's just something to consider with this particular set of inserts that comes with this planner that I bought. So yeah, that's kind of the layout. Like I said, I don't use my agenda every single day. I use it at work, you know, if I need to keep track of things. But I found this size to be nice. I can throw it into my larger handbags, and it isn't, you know, way too big, but it's also big enough that when I go to write in it, I'm not having to, you know, really cramp myself to add notes and to make lists or whatnot. So yeah, it's been a good size and I really like it. I'm impressed with the overall quality. I think NOTIQ does a nice job with their packaging and just with the planner in general. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you're considering NOTIQ, I would definitely take a look, or if you're looking for a planner or alternative to like a KikiK or Filofax, then definitely check them out. I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys.